This thing sounds absolutely insane. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have something very exciting in store for you. This is something that I've been wanting to showcase here on the channel for a very long time because this car has been in the works for God knows how long. Guys, here it is, the JDM Legend. This is a 1994 Toyota 2JZ Supra, but it's not just any Supra because it has a very serious engine under the bonnet, and it's also a very rare Aerotop Supra that, guys, also belongs to one of my best mates out here. Let me introduce you to the man himself. This is AJ.
Hello.
How are you, brother? Good to see you as always.
Good to see you, bro.
Man, can you tell us a little bit about your pride and joy over here?
So this is my 1994 Toyota Supra, and I've owned this for 3 long years, and it's gone through a plethora of rebuilds, and it's been an absolute journey. It was just like Supras have always stood out to me. I found that they've always been a massive power plant, and I thought, this would be the perfect project car to get started, and here it is today. We got 850 horsepower at the wheels, and
That's
then
like 600 kilowatts?
620 kilowatts, actually.
Sorry.
about there, yeah.
Insane.
And then we actually turned it down.
Yeah.
So we went from 620 down to 470 for a kind of a safe mode kind of thing. In terms of the car now, it's still extremely sketchy. So I think
that.
470 is just comfortable for the time
especially
being.
for a street car, right? Like you drive this on,
Yes.
on the road.
Yes,
No, that's good.
it's a street car. It may see the drags one day, but it is absolutely a street car, and I really love it.
Damn, that sounds good.
Okay. So should we start off with what's in the motor or the journey?
Everything.
Okay. So here we have a G35 1050 Pulsar Turbo paired to the 2JZ on a 6-boost manifold. We got some, I think it's PHP or PHR rocker covers. So these are billet rocker covers.
That looks sick, man.
And the red bracket there is actually a GTR coil pack bracket. So we've got some 35 GTR coils, and the motor being built all the way through the head down to the bottom end. We've got wrist pins, we got rods, we got pistons. Everything in this car has been done. Dropped a lot of money into this. It's gone through 3 rebuilds, as previously mentioned, and I think I'm close to $70,000 just on the motor alone. Yes.
That's insane to think that this motor has that much, and you haven't actually touched the body at all, right?
Exactly. So that's the next step of its
You mentioned this was a bit of a project car for you?
Yes, it was. So it came with a spin bearing to begin with. I ended up with it because my ex-girlfriend said it was actually her favorite car, and I took the plunge even though I knew this was pretty rough to begin with.
Yeah.
But it's tidied up so much more compared to how it was.
And you love this thing for what it is.
Yes, absolutely. I won't get rid of it. The journey that I've been through is priceless.
Guys, it's still in its original OEM form, the look, the styling. This is iconic. Mark IV Toyota Supra, the A80, the one that you saw in Fast and Furious. This is it. What's your favorite part about your Supra? Like, it's so cool, isn't it?
Yes, the curves are nice.
Yeah.
But the sound of the 2J really gets to me. It also wakes up all my neighbors, so it's a bit of a love-hate relationship of what I love about it, but what I don't like about it. So just the sound of it, the way it roars, screams, you'll hear that shortly.
My lord. That's crazy. And this is also an Aerotop.
It is. So Supras didn't actually come in manual in an Aerotop, so this is actually being converted, and very few of them actually came with the twin turbo motor. So there was a GZ variant of this which came with the twin turbo motor and the leather interior, but this one's the SZ with the NA motor with an auto in it, but that's all been swapped out.
So now it's appropriate to what people would think about a Supra.
Absolutely.
Oh man,
Yeah.
that's so sick.
Pays tribute to what everybody knows about it, yeah.
I think, guys, it's probably time that we heard it roar, right?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, man. Let's go for a drive. Okay, that kind of blew my eardrums.
It was so funny because this car's actually been running for a little bit now, and then I was like, oh, Clay, I'm gonna come over with it, let's go have some fun, let's go for a cruise. So Clay was like, don't bring it yet. I want to save this purest reaction. I don't want to mess up my reaction, you know, I want it to be real, honest.
We've been wanting to shoot this video and I wanted to save my purest and most genuine reaction for this video. And that's why we actually haven't done this till we both had our timelines ready. And guys, this is going to be that video. I am so excited to see this, as you would. Jesus. Hey man, I haven't even got strapped up yet, bro. Are you ready? You look so chilled right now. How does it feel to drive this Supra before you start driving it?
Oh yeah, it's great.
What is it like with that much power? I mean, obviously you drove this car when it was pretty much stock.
I've been attuned to 400 kilowatts now, so
Yeah.
it is quick. But for me, it's just an everyday run-of-the-mill kind of thing.
So it's become like second nature to you. Yeah, man, this thing is hairy. That was sick. I think the way you fought for the wheel, yeah, it just kind of felt, yeah, a bit sketch.
It is sketch. Oh. Better slow down.
Oh, this is a nice tight road. Perfect for this. Man, that was sick. We can actually jump on the highway, bro.
Yeah.
Let's jump on the highway.
This car's much better suited for the highway.
Yeah, I can see that now. To be honest, like I was really struggling to just one hand hold this camera, but it really requires me to hold two hands because this will probably fly away one way or another, or something that I've got on me. Man, this thing is sick. It looks like a handful. Is it a handful?
It's like you're literally riding a bull and you're holding on, fighting it every way possible to keep it on the road without killing yourself. Like, in short, that's how it feels, kind of. And we're already catching up to the other car in front, so.
I actually just smacked my camera in the windshield. Jesus. You know what I really love about your Supra, man? This is like the coolest experience because it is top down. And it is literally by far the most immersive experience to being out there in the world with the car.
All right, there you go.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy. Take the reins, my friend.
Oh my god. Here we go.
Let's live to tell this story, okay?
100%. I'm glad AJ has a lot of faith in me.
Yes, let's do it.
Alright guys, we are all strapped up. Gonna turn the beast on.
Give it some gas when you turn it on.
Yep.
Because there's no IACV in here.
Ah, ooh, that sounds sick. Okay, let's get rolling. Let me just get my seat.
Electronic.
Electronic?
Right hand side, yeah.
No way, okay.
Yeah, not bad, eh?
Very bougie for a 1994. We like
Yeah.
that. As mentioned, this has been a while since I've been in a Supra. This is going to be the most streeter of Supras that I've driven out here on the channel. I'm honestly super excited. And this car has 470 kilowatts right now, right?
Yes, right now.
So that's about
About 700.
600? Okay.
But yeah, 600, 700. I'm not sure exactly the calculations, but it's more towards 700.
Honestly, that's just a whole lot of horsepower, and yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
Whoa.
Alright, we're good guys. Alright, so setting off, it feels like a really nice street car. Obviously, down up to 11 with the noise, the soundtrack, just that 2JZ that you know and love. Alright, let's have our first pull. Oh my god, that noise is so good. It kind of just sounds like it's ready. And you don't really have to jump on the throttle to get any of that power, right?
Yeah.
Like it is right there on foot.
It is. On tap, yeah.
On tap.
On tap, yeah.
On my foot, but yeah. I meant to say on tap. I can't really think right now.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm a little bit scared.
You feeling alright?
I'm good, bro.
Alright, how about now? This thing sounds sick.
I'm a very confident driver. I'm not a very confident passenger.
I hope that I can change that for you. It's about 30 to 40% throttle, guys.
Wow.
Could you tell?
Wow, nah,
Could you tell?
I couldn't tell. All I'm thinking is, I'm ready to hold on. I'm ready to hold on.
Let's hold on.
Let's go. Let's send it. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
I am full concentration mode in this thing.
Oh, shit! God!
This thing is sick.
This is so scary.
Honestly, it is very, very sketchy. But you don't really need to be on full send mode in this car to enjoy it. And I think that's just the beauty of the power band, the power delivery, you know, everything that you've done to it, man.
Yeah.
Alright, second gear.
Send it to the heavens, bro.
Okay, this is sick. It's actually, yeah, the car tells you a lot about what it's doing. If it starts to slide out, it'll slide out. You just have to be wary of that. It really communicates to you as the driver. And when AJ is driving it, you can really see how he's managing this car. I'm not doing it in the way that AJ is doing it, so man, full props to this guy. You're literally piloting this bull.
Absolutely.
Oh, I've lost my voice. Yeah. There was a lot more that I wanted to say, guys, but I hope that gives you an idea of what it's like to drive a very high horsepower, single turbo Supra on the street in this awesome specification, Aerotop, this beautiful grey color, and obviously with a fully built engine with thumbs up all round, with literally 700 horsepower at the wheels. And it's funny because none of the tacho works, none of the speedo works, and it just makes you be even more in tune with the sensors because you got to be aware of everything. Second gear, I don't know how many RPM we're doing. Oh, it looks like the speedo's working a bit.
It cuts in and out.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to be looking at that. It's actually very, very forgiving, but the roads here are definitely not. I think I picked a bad stretch, but that says enough about just how crazy this car is, guys.
Question.
Yes.
Was it what you expected it to be?
To be honest, yes, and also no, because being an Aerotop, it is so engaging to the elements, and it just makes it so much more scary and exciting. And I'll show you guys. Oh my. Oh my. I hope I've driven this car appropriately, AJ.
You have.
Man. Can you feel my sweaty palms?
Dude, it's so sweaty. I'm not so accustomed to letting people drive my car, but Clay's driven it really well today. I hope it's like scared the living shit out of him, because it kind of scared the living shit out of me being a passenger in my own vehicle.
I'm glad to hear that, man.
Yeah, it's great. It's great. Yeah, he's driven it pretty well, and yeah, I guess there's a lot more to come in this, and
I can't wait to see what else you have in store for this car, bro. Yeah, already it is quite an animal, to say the least.
Yeah.
And Yeah, I'm scared to be honest, to find out what you have next. Oh man, it has been an absolute blast chilling with AJ and obviously showcasing his pride and joy. This is phase 1 of many to come on his Supra. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button on AJ's channel if you haven't already done so. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below, guys. But if you guys have enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Let me know in the comments, and as well as AJ, as to what you like about his 2JZ Supra. And as well as that, guys, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.